Many assume that getting a landscape project installed is a complicated process, but it doesn't have to be. That's why you need a landscape company that can provide you with the best service, save you time, and make it easy. From the initial phone call to scheduling your project or service, we make it easy. We can lead you through the process and make the experience enjoyable. WLM is committed to helping you get results. First, we need a little information so we can best help you. Head over to our website at WLMinc.biz and click on the Get Started button. Then fill out your name and additional contact information. How can we help you? Select one of the options in the drop-down menu. Next, take some pictures of your property or areas you need services. Then make a short video on your phone explaining what you would like to have accomplished. Whether it's a new brick paver patio with outdoor grill area, your landscape beds cleaned up and mulched, or your lawn fertilized to get rid of those pesky weeds and be the envy of your neighborhood, this short video will help us help you. Also, please let us know how you heard about WLM. Did one of your neighbors refer us? We want to know so we can say thank you. From there, hit submit and your information will go to a member of our sales team. We will reach out to ask a few more questions and get you scheduled for an initial consultation. Easy, right? Let's get started.